Hi viewers, welcome back to Trendy Wear Costume. In this video, I'm come up to show a beautiful and elegant Ari Butta design using normal needle. For that, we should need this flat white color pearl. So take out the needle at the center of our sleeve design and insert the needle followed by one single flat white color pearl. Then apply this Fevigryl fabric glue around this pearl. Then here we have to do this ball chain work. For that, cut required length of ball chain. Then do double layer using golden color ball chain. Now we are going to do white color pearl design. For that, take out the needle next to this ball chain, then insert the needle followed by required length of white pearl like this. Then insert the needle where it is start. Finally, it will look like this. Then do the side stitch to hold all the pearl into the fabric tightly. For that, we should always take double strands of sewing thread into leader brand needle. Once we complete this pearl design, now take out the needle next to this pearl, then do the same process, but instead of pearl we should use number 2 antique bead. For that, take out the needle near this pearl design. Here I have already select number 2 antique bead. Do the same process next to this pearl. For this design, we should complete 4 layers with the help of pearl and the antique bead. Once we complete all the layer work, then this is the final look. See how it will look great. Now we are going to do hanging design. For that, take out the needle near this antique bead, then insert the needle followed by one white color tube bead and sugar bead like this. I will highlight this circular shape with the help of this hanging design. For that, you have to insert all the hanging design without leaving any gap. Then only it will look great. Once we complete all this process, it will look superb. This is one among the easiest way to complete such an amazing and extraordinary royal look design. If you are a beginner, there is no issue. You can also do this amazing design easily. For some more attraction, here I will be applying this Fevigryl fabric glue around the circular shape and fix white color tilagam shape pearl like on it. So apply this Fevigryl fabric glue with particular gap distance around the circular shape, then fix this pearl on it. Some pearl does not any hole with it, but some more pearl has hole with it. Likewise, this particular pearl also has hole. So just I am using that hole to do side stitch like this. Once we complete all the safety stitch for this pearl, then this is the final look. It will give a great and royal look. So hope guys enjoy this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and support my effort. If you want more interesting video like this, then stay tuned with the lovable trendy wear costume. So until then, this is Rashmi. Bye bye. See you on the next video. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for future notification. Bye.